To profit from YouTube, you can follow these steps. Create engaging content, identify your niche and create high-quality videos that appeal to your target audience. Develop a unique style or perspective that sets you apart from others. Build a subscriber base. Encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel by consistently delivering valuable content. Ask them to subscribe, like, and share your videos, and engage with your audience through comments and community posts. Monetize your channel. Once your channel meets YouTube's eligibility requirements, such as having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. YPP enables you to monetize your videos through ads, channel memberships, Super Chat, and merchandise shelf. Enable ads on your videos. After joining the YPP, you can enable ads on your videos. YouTube will display ads before, during, or after your content, and you'll earn a portion of the ad revenue generated by your videos. The exact amount varies based on factors like ad engagement and viewer demographics. Utilize other revenue streams. In addition to ads, you can explore other ways to generate income. These include channel memberships. Offer exclusive perks, such as badges, emojis, or members-only content, to subscribers who join your channel as members for a monthly fee. Super Chat and Super Stickers. Enable live chat monetization, allowing viewers to purchase messages or stickers that stand out during your live streams. Merchandise shelf. Showcase your branded merchandise directly on your YouTube channel, providing viewers with a convenient way to purchase products. Sponsored content and brand deals. Collaborate with brands relevant to your niche and create sponsored videos or integrate their products, services into your content. Crowdfunding. Platforms like Patreon or Ko-Fi allow your viewers to support your channel by making regular donations or one-time contributions. Optimize your videos for search. Implement SEO strategies to improve your video's discoverability. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, tags, and closed captions. Promote your videos. Share your videos across social media platforms, embed them in blog posts, or collaborate with other YouTubers to expand your reach and gain more exposure. Analyze your data. Utilize YouTube Analytics to understand your audience's preferences, demographics, and viewing habits.